हाँ, हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग। ये वीडियो जो है इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले स्टूडेंट के लिए मेरे बनाया गया है। और आप लोग जैसे जानते हैं कि भाई दूज पर जो है 23 अक्टूबर 2025 को 2025 में मनाया जा रहा है। दिन थर्सडे है यानी बुधवार। तो ये इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले छात्रों के लिए है। ये एक तरीके से ऐसे भी है और इसको हम बोल सकते हैं कि स्टोरी भी है। वाई वी आर सेलिब्रेट भाई दूज, व्हाट्स रीजन्स एंड वाई होल इंडिया इज सेलिब्रेटेड, वाई whole Hindu dharma is celebrate this festival region. I know we know, so we read this article and everyone know why this is celebrated this festival. So let's start Bhai Dooj, also known as Bhai Tika, भाऊ बीज, भाई भीज, भाई फोंटा और भ्रातृ द्वितीया is a festival celebrated by Hindus on the second day lunar day of the शुक्ल पक्ष ब्राइट fortnight of कार्तिक। देखिए इंग्लिश में कार्तिका पढ़ेंगे लेकिन हिंदी में इसको कार्तिक बोलते हैं। द एट्थ मंथ ऑफ द विक्रम संवत हिंदू, ठीक है। अ कैलेंडर और दी जो है लिखा है सेलवाहन सका कैलेंडर, सेलवाहन सका कैलेंडर। इट्स इज सेलिब्रेटेड ड्यूरिंग द दिवाली और थार फेस्टिवल एंड होली फेस्टिवल। द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ दिस डे आर सिमिलर टू द फेस्टिवल ऑफ रक्षाबंधन। ओके, now let's describe this article. In the southern part of India, the day is celebrated as a Yama Dvitiya. ठीक है, in the southern part, in the Kayasth community, two Bhai Duj are celebrated. The more famous one comes on the second day after Diwali, but the lesser known one is celebrated a day or two after Diwali. In Haryana and Haryana in English, Hindi Haryana, but in English Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, a ritual also followed. A dry coconut named Gola in regional language, with kleva tied along its width for worshipping is also used at the time of doing arti of a brother. In Bengal, the day is celebrated as Bhai Phota, which comes one day after Kali Puja. Regional variations. The festival is known as Bhai Dooj, Hindi Bhai Dooj, in the entire northern part of India, observed during the Diwali festival in Awadh and Purvanchal. Regions of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, it is also known as Bhaiya Dooj. It is widely celebrated by Maithilis in Nepal and Bihar as Bhar Dutiya, and people from various other ethnic groups. The first day of this new year is observed as Govardhan Puja. Bhai Tika. Bhai Tika, Nepal. In Nepal, where it is the most important festival after the Sen Vijayadashmi, Dussehra, observed on the fifth day of Tihar festival. It is widely celebrated by Maithilis in Nepal as a Bhardutiya Bhai Tika, followed by the people of various other ethnic groups among Madhyasis, while the Nawarisis celebration as a Kija Puja. The sister put a vertical tika of 7 colors known as Saptarangi tika in their brother's forehead. Bhai Fonta, Bengal. In Bengal, and it takes place every year on the second day after Kali Puja. It is mainly observed in West Bengal, Tripura, Bangladesh. Bhai Juntia or Bhai Jitiya, only in western Odisha and some parts of central Odisha. Bhau Bij or Bhau Bij or Bhai Bij amongst the Marathi, Gujarati, and Konkani speaking communities and states of Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, and Karnataka. Karnataka in Hindi. Another name for the day is Yam Dvitiya or Yam Dvitiya, after legendary meeting between Yam, the god of death, and his sister Yamuna. The famous river on uh, द्वितीया द्वितीया जो है वी आर रीड आई द्वितीया द सेकेंड डे आफ्टर न्यू मून. अदर नेम्स इंक्लूड भद्रु द्वितीया और भत्री द्वितीया और भगिनी हस्ता भोजनामु in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay. According to Hindu religion, after slaying the evil demon Narakasur, Lord Krishna visited his sister Subhadra, who gave him a warm welcome with sweets and flowers. She also affectionately applied tilaka and Krishna's forehead. Some believe this to be the origin of the festival. The ceremony, क्या है ceremony? तो on the day of the festival, sisters invite their brothers for some precious meal often including their favorite dishes, sweets. The procedure may be different in Bihar and central India. The whole ceremony signifies the duty of a brother to protect his sister as well as sister's blessings for her brother. Carrying forward the ceremony in traditional style, sisters perform arti for their brothers and apply a red tilak tika on the brother's forehead. This tika ceremony on the occasions of Bhai which signifies the sister's sincerity prayers for the long and happy life of her brother and treat them with gifts in return. Elder brothers bless their sister and may treat them also with gifts cash. And it is customary in Haryana and Maharashtra is celebrated the auspicious occasions of Bhai Beach. Auspicious of Bhai Beach. Women who do not have a brother worship the moon Chandra. Instead, they apply mehendi on girls as their tradition. The sister whose brother lives far away from her and cannot go to the house sends her sincerest prayers for the long and happy life of her brother through the moon god. She performs arti for the moon. This is the reason why children of Hindu parents affectionately call the moon Chanda Mama. Chanda means moon and Mama means mother's brothers. This celebration Bhai Fonta in West Bengal is celebrated with much splendor. The ceremony is marked with many rituals along with a grand feast arranged for the brothers. It is necessary that both brothers and sisters are more than 5 years of age. Bhai Bij. The festival of Bhai Bij popular in Haryana, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Goa, and is celebrated with great fervor and greatly brothers and sisters took forward to the occasions with immense enthusiasm. To add charm to the occasions, Bhai Bij gifts are given to brothers from sisters as a token of love and appreciation. Bhav Bij is a time for family reunions as all brothers and sisters the family get together. Close relative and friends are also invited to celebrate the Bhav Bij in many families. Special dishes for the festival include the Maharashtra sweets called Basundi Puri or Khirni Puri. On these occasions, brothers and sisters exchange gifts and both of them pray for their long and happy. Bhai Tika in Nepal. Bhai Tika, Bhai Tika in Nepal is also known as Bhai Tihar, means Tihar festival of brothers. On this day, sisters pray to Yamraj for a long life and a prosperity for their brothers. The rituals involves sister barking the forehead of their brothers with a seven-colored long tika. The rest of the rituals is similar that performed by Hindus elsewhere. A special garland of the Gomphrena globosa flowers is made by the sister as an offering to their brothers. Rabindranath Tagore and the partitions of Bengal. Rachel's fell MC a dormant professor of Asian Studies at Columbia University, described Rabindranath Tagore's Rakhi Bandhan ceremony inspired by the Bhai Dooj ritual, which were organized to protest the 1905 partition of Bengal. In 1905, Rabindranath Tagore extended the symbolisms of brothers. Second, a ritual of bonding between brothers and sisters that is celebrated right after the pujas have concluded to evoke friendship between Hindus and Muslims. Members of both communities would tie red threads of brotherhood on each other's wrist all throughout the partitions period. These Rakhi Bandhan ceremonies were regularly announced in the Bengali and English paper. In addition, some landlords within the British Indian Association saw that boycott and emphasis upon Swadeshi items were distributing peace with the rural Muslims in their areas and withdrew the support. And some pictures will be shown by Wikipedia. Bhai Fonda, a Bengali household in West Bengal, India. is a picture दिख रहा है. संदेश with the word Bhai Fonda written is offered by Bengali sisters during Bhai Fonda. Bhai Fonda, or one pictures will be seen tilak of seven colors used in a Nepali celebration, and another pictures are traditional Nevari painting about Kija Puja's legend. The explanatory note on Hindu festival dates. Bhai Dooj, also called Bhai Tika, Bhau Bij, Bhai Phonta, Bhratri Dvitiya, observed Hindus type religious date Kartik 2 a month in tradition Kartik 70 Purnima frequency annual. So we read this article भाई दूज. We know हम लोगों ने जाना कि भाई दूज क्या क्या है. आप लोग इसका अर्थ समझे होंगे, तो वीडियो में आप लोग कमेंट में बताइएगा कि आप लोगों को वीडियो कैसा लगा, बेनिफिट पहुंचाया या नहीं, आप लोग भाई दूज को समझे या नहीं, आप लोग कैसे बनाते हैं कमेंट में बताइए, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा संख्या में लाइक कीजिए. हर हर महादेव, जय माता दी.